Hey Vanessa, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and accepting this video and helping me to get this over to Kevin and Rick. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. I do apologize for any background noise. My AC is kicking in because it's pretty hot here today, so I do apologize in advance. Um, so I do want to mention that 70% of organic leads come from a website. So it is going to be really, really important that your website be properly optimized. I also want to thank you for your services. Peterson SEO, we value our veterans and honor them every single day. And so I definitely want to thank this team for service to our country. Okay, so we are on your home page. I noticed that you have separate pages for every one of your services, which is great. That's exactly what you need. I also noticed that you have a service area page. Unfortunately, these should all be their own pages, not just a list. Having a list does help a little bit. You have a small chance of being found organically in one of these places if there's like zero competition. Um, so you really do need a separate page for every single one of these places that you service that have search volume so you can be found organically for your services in each of those places. Um, so looking back at your home page. Okay. It's a good attempt at a keyword, but this actually is going to be a national keyword. You need to keep your focus on local buyer intent keywords. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, so that's good. These are interlinking pages, so that's a good thing. That does help with SEO. And that's about all I see. So your home page should be like a summary page of all your individual services. Um, and it needs to have a ton of content. Google ranks your website based on content, and so content is the key. And you're going to need a ton of content, a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Now, if your competitors have more content, however, you're going to need more than they have. So, whatever your competitors have, you're always going to need more of. Now, a local buyer intent keyword, that is the keyword people are actively searching for in their specific community. And there's going to be a location attached either before or after. Now, it looks like the keywords that you guys have been trying to go after are more national, and national keywords are okay. Um, they are much harder to rank for, and you might get a little bit of local traffic. But if you're not servicing the entire country, then you're going to get false metrics because most of the traffic that will come to your website on national keywords are going to be from other places in the country, and they're going to leave your website as soon as they realize you can't help them. So you really do need to focus on those local keywords. Google has robots that index all of these pages. So it's really important that all these pages be original content with their own keywords. Same for service area pages. Service area pages are basically going to be mini home pages, all with their own content and keywords. That way, Google can index you for those, rank you, and put you in front of your customers. Now, your top competitor in Huntsville is PuroClean, and yes, they are a franchise, but you are not actually competing against the whole franchise. You're only competing against this one specific location, and you're actually at a huge advantage because franchisees cannot make any changes to the website. So they can't actually optimize their pages for the keywords that are actually going to help them be found. And you can. And so you could take advantage of their disadvantage and have more content than they do, work on those keyword strategies, and then support all of that with SEO because a website by itself is not enough to get found. Um, these guys do have a lot more content, so you will need a lot more content. So now if we go here, this shows us how your website is performing, and you have a 0.4 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website, and that's 100% because of your backlinks and referring domains. A referring domain is any website that provides a link to your website. The backlink is the physical link coming from a referring domain to your website. So Google gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. All these extras Google considers as spam. And not all links are created equal. You need to make sure you're going after the highly authoritative ones that are directly related to your services and industry. And also making sure that they're do follow so they share their power and help you to rank faster. Looking here, only 10 of yours are do follows, which means only 10 of these links here are doing anything remotely to help your website. You have been indexed for 36 keywords, and you are getting approximately 20 people to your website on average per month, so you're missing out on a ton of traffic and potential customers. If we look at your keywords, Google has 10 spots per page. So you have 2 keywords on the home page, and none of them are buyer intent. So, Construction Madison, Dry Ice Huntsville, that one maybe, but I'm not sure that's going to technically convert into a sale for you. So you definitely want to work on these keywords and then have them supported with backlinks so they can rank to the first page, and you can be found for all of these services and in all of your service areas. Looking at your competitor, um, they, I'm so sorry, that was the wrong one. So this is your competitor. We don't care how their domain is doing. We only care about the location area. They have 39 links, 12 referring domains that you need to beat. Only 5 of those are do follows. So you need to beat 5 of their referring domains in quantity as well as quality. And they have 33 keywords, and they've got over 53 people coming to this page. Um, so they're outranking you only because um, of those keywords. They're ranking higher because they are supported by backlinks. So it's gonna be super easy for you guys to outrank these guys. And then the last part is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for all services and service areas because 30% of people go here and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not listed in this top 3, you send all of those potential customers to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are citations. That's going to be the name of your business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Dex. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those keywords supported by SEO. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I would really love to get your feedback on what you thought of the video. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.